Welcome everybody to This Be Gen Rips. Today I'll be opening my first WWE Select Wrestling trading cards. Here I got two blasters. You get to find 6 inserts or prisms per box. And look for Tiger, Ultra Rare, Firestorm inserts. Alright, so this is my first time opening WWE Wrestling cards. Let's start to rip. Alright, first blaster. Ooh, I can't wait. I've been wanting to open some wrestling cards for a while, but couldn't get any tops at all. And if I want to try to get tops, and the tops are so expensive. So over here, I get the alternative Panini Select. You get 6 packs, 4 cards per pack. And let's see what we get. I'll put this to the side. Alright, hit him with the pack spread right here. And I'll choose this one to start. Alright, put this to the side, put this one to the side, and let's rip. Alright. First card is Gerald Briscoe. Second card, L.A. Knight. Yeah. And the RKO Legend Killer, Randy Orton. And our silver is going to be Miss Elizabeth. Alright, I'll put this one right here. Base cards over here. And let's do the next one. Alright, we got here Liv Morgan. I love you, Solo Sokola. Alright, Tegan Knox. And Lola Vice. Alright, next pack. Yeah, I grew up watching WWE, watching the Ultimate Warrior versus Hulk Hogan on I think WrestleMania. It was nice. We got here the man, Becky Lynch. Old school legend, Jimmy Garvin. Not Psycho Sid, but Sid Vicious. And we got a orange something, Michin. Is this numbered? Nope, not numbered. Alright. We have our next pack over here. Oh, I got a number card. I don't know who. We have the Great Khali. What time is it? What time is it? It's Vader time. It's me, DDP. And our first number card is Nikola Volkov. Numbered to 116 out of 399. Alright, let me get some sleeves. I forgot to grab them. So, let's open one up. And get a stand. Not bad so far. At least I got a number card out of these. First time opening. Let's see what's next. What's next? Next pack. We have here Camilo Hayes. And it is, what time is it? It's Tiffy time. And we have Charlotte Flair here. And our red, oh no, not red. The Great Khali again in the silver. Concourse. Alright, last pack for this blaster. Let's see what we get. Alright. We have some Blair Davenport. Who is this? Channing Stack Lorenzo. Michelle McCool. And our orange is Dragon Lee. Not bad, not bad. Alright, on to the second one. Oops. Yeah, like I said, I was growing up as a wrestling fan. I used to go, the only wrestling event I ever went to was a WCW back in, what's it called, the Staples Center. And we saw the NWO. It was very nice. Back in 1999. Alright. First pack of this second blaster. And I already ruined it. Let's see. What do we get here? Alright. We got some Dude Love. And we have some JBL action here. Jimmy Uso. It's true. It's true. Kurt Angle. Icon. Nice. You know what? I'll put you up. Alright. Second pack. It is Seth freaking Rollins. And the Ring General. Gunther. Another Nikola Volkov. And our red, no, not red, red, and blue. It's a silver of Otis. Nice. Alright, third pack coming up. I'm really enjoying this. It's nice. I like them. Finally, like I said, finally getting my hands on wrestling cards. And we have here, rest in peace, Bray Wyatt. The Heartbreak Kid, Shawn Michaels. Eddie Thorpe. And Jasmine Nix. Rookie. Okay. Alright. Fourth pack. Let's see, what could we get here? Another Otis. Elton Prince. Rest in peace, Yokozuna. And our NXT alumni, Johnny Gargano. Funny enough, I went to Candice LeRae and Johnny Gargano's wedding reception because my ex was friends with her. All right, that was very nice. It was very nice. I saw his tag team partner too over there, Tomasa Ciampa. All right, we have here Carl Anderson And we have here Maxine Dupree. Oh, Tori Wilson. And our last card of this pack, Eddie Thorpe on the silver. All right, we have last pack magic over here. Let's see. We have the dog, Braun Breaker, Sean Spears, Xavier Woods, and our last card is the Game on the orange prism, Triple H. Okay, let's go check our base. Let's see if I have anything over here, silver or not. I didn't really look through them. Let's see. I like that Bray. I like that Seth. I didn't get no John Cena or Stone Cold, but everything was good. All in all, my first time opening, not bad. Got some legends. Lola Vice is in the silver. Tegan Knox is in the concourse. That's about it over here. We got that only number card, Nikola Volkov, the icon of Kurt Angle. And our inserts, we have Tegan Knox on the ring side, Lola Vice, silver, concourse, the Great Khali, silver, concourse, Triple H in the orange, concourse, Eddie Thorpe, rookie, Johnny Gargano, NXT alumni, Jasmine Nix, I don't know that person, Otis, Dragon Lee, Michin, and Miss Elizabeth. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this wrestling rip, and keep on ripping. Thank you.
That wasn't so bad, was it?